It begins with a light in the window, a warmth that calls us home. Every chair tells a story, every plate a memory, and every light on this table reminds us of the warmth we carry home. Around this table, laughter lingers, stories glow, and time slows down. And we remember what matters, not what we own, but who we share it with. Here, light lives in laughter, and love tastes like home. When the candles fade, the memories stay, soft, golden, eternal. And somewhere in every winter night, a little light still shines.